Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost any audio on CapCut PC. I'm just going to extract the audio from this video. Unfortunately, I can't play the audio, but the audio is here, and I'm just going to split it where the bass has started. Copy and paste it 3 times. Actually copy and paste it however much you want the bass boost to be, and you can also adjust the volume and make it like really loud on the first one as well. It will be super loud, but that's pretty much it. Again, I can't show you the music that much, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.